Greetings to fellow judges, industry experts, lecturers, and students. I am Sindhuja Jaikumar, fourth year student in University Science Malaysia, and today I'll be presenting my final year project, CareVive, which is under the guidance of my lecturer, Dr. Naswa Ali Abdullah. CareVive, Cancer Care and Support Platform. This application is developed for an Android version and has been integrated with AI medical chatbot. It is also primarily targeted towards improving the post-chemotherapy care experience for cancer survivors. This application addresses critical gaps in healthcare apps by offering real-time accessible health management tools and resources. It also aims to transform post-treatment care, making comprehensive support easily accessible to all cancer survivors. Now, let us take a look at what are the problems that need to be tackled in developing CareVive. Firstly, challenges in managing health regimens post-chemotherapy. Memory and attention issues lead to missed medications and appointments affecting recovery for cancer patients. And all of us would be very familiar with the term chemo brain. And this is what it exactly means. You forget even the basic tasks that has been done daily. Secondly, gap in immediate access to reliable health information for post-chemotherapy patients. Patients face confusion from too much of info available online, and it lacks specific and timely guideline. And thirdly, inadequacies in symptom tracking and health monitoring. One of the very important aspects of post-chemo patient, which is to track their symptoms and to log it properly. But without proper tracking tools, patients fail to document symptoms accurately, leading to incomplete medical records and suboptimal care. Now, let's move on to the objective of this project. Firstly, to facilitate reminders for key activities. Post-chemo patients notice that they can't think clearly as they used to. They may have trouble remembering things, focusing, finishing tasks, or learning something new. These are symptoms of cognitive impairment, also known as chemo brain or brain fog. CareVive directly addresses these cognitive challenges by providing timely reminders for medications, appointment, and self-care routines, ensuring patients maintain consistent treatment and achieve a better recovery. Secondly, to centralize access to resources and provide immediate responses to queries. CareVive includes a curated resource hub and an AI-powered medical chatbot offering reliable health information and instant answers on mental health, nutrition, exercise, and post-treatment care, reducing delays and confusion. And lastly, to facilitate symptom logging for health monitoring. CareVive's user-friendly tool allows efficient daily symptom logging, aiding in better patient management and providing doctors with insights for personalized treatment plans. Thus, the proposed solution is firstly, reminder and notification, where patient will be able to set reminders and get notification. Secondly, symptom logging, where the patients will be able to log their symptoms on a daily basis. Thirdly, resource access, where the patients will be able to access to immediate resources that is curated. And lastly, user management, where the patient will be able to update their personal details, their medical history, treatment details, and able to track their personal health metrics. This is the system module for CareVive application. CareVive, Cancer Care and Support Platform, has 4 modules. The first one is user profile management, in which the user will be able to register, log in, view home screen, and also update their profile. Second module is symptom logging, where the user will be able to log their daily symptoms and review symptom history. And the third module is reminder and notification, in which the user will be able to set and manage reminders as well as receive reminder notification. And the last module, which is a huge module in this application, is resource access and immediate query response module, in which the user will be able to access curated resources and the user will be able to input queries and get responses instantly. The CareVive system utilizes a multi-tier architecture designed to separate concerns, enhance scalability, and improve maintainability. And here is a detailed look at each tier and the technologies used. The first tier is presentation tier, in which Flutter and Android Studio is used for a seamless user interface. And the second tier is the application tier, where FastAPI, Python, Amazon Web Services, and LangChain is used for developing the AI medical chatbot and deploying it so that it can be integrated into the mobile application in Flutter. And lastly is the data tier, in which it was securely managed by Firebase, ensuring all patient data is stored safely and efficiently. Let's delve into the significant impact and benefits that CareVive brings to cancer survivors post-chemotherapy. Firstly, improved treatment adherence. CareVive plays a crucial role when it comes to encouraging patients to stick to their treatment plans consistently. CareVive ensures that patients don't miss essential steps in their treatment protocol by letting them set reminders and receive notification. Secondly, empowered patient management. Empowerment in healthcare is transformative and vital. CareVive equips patients with the tools necessary to take active roles in managing their health. Through features like symptom logging and easy access to their health data, patients can make informed decisions when it comes to their care processes. And lastly, immediate access to information. One of the common challenges in post-chemotherapy care is the overwhelming uncertainty and stress associated with the confusion and health management. CareVive addresses this by providing immediate, reliable resources to healthcare information right at the patient's fingertips. Whether it's a question about side effects, dietary advice, or exercise guidelines, the integrated AI chatbot ensures that all queries are answered instantly, and this will reduce the time and effort needed to spend navigating healthcare system to get answers. In summary, CareVive is not only supporting the practical aspect of healthcare management, but also enhances the overall experience of recovery, ensuring that patients do not feel alone in their journey back to health. The entrepreneurship opportunities that position CareVive for success in the healthcare market. The first one is market readiness. CareVive is fully developed and ready for commercial launch. It uniquely addresses the critical needs of the post-chemotherapy care, an area where existing solutions fall short, by providing comprehensive support tools and resources. Secondly, market demand. There is a high demand for such innovative solutions as the number of cancer patients continues to grow. Many survivors require ongoing support, a need that current app does not provide, which is often limited by outdated technology, outdated resources, or premium pricing models. The third one is unique selling point. What sets CareVive apart is its integrated AI medical chatbot. This feature provides real health time advice directly to users, a service not commonly offered for free by other applications in the market, enhancing user engagement and satisfaction. And lastly, partnership opportunities. There is significant potential for forming strategic partnerships with hospitals and cancer care centers. These partnerships would leverage CareVive's capabilities to enhance their existing patient support services, creating a win-win situation for both CareVive and healthcare providers. In summary, CareVive stands at the threshold of transforming post-chemotherapy care, supported by its readiness for market, strong demand, unique offering, and robust partnership potentials. Now, let's move on to the system demo.
The main feature of this mobile application is the medical chatbot, in which when the user input a query, the chatbot able to answer the query instantly with a proper and accurate response, as you can see here. And in some cases, when the low internet connection is available, then there is a chances where an error message could be displayed. In resource section, nutrition, mental health, exercise and general contains static data in which curated resources have been searched and uploaded so that it can be retrieved through the link redirection above. Meanwhile, the last two categories, cancer and healthcare, will have dynamic data which is fetched from News API. This data is fetched on a daily basis and the news will be collected from all over the world. And the users can redirect to the links once clicked on it. The data can be arranged as published date or popularity. Next up is journal, where users can write the title and description and save the notes. It will be displayed under journal section. As for the symptom function, the user will be able to click on the date in the calendar and log their symptoms by adding their severity, also a description of their pain. And then they will be able to save the symptoms for the day. This saved symptom will be available in symptom history. Next up is the reminder, where user will be able to add reminders according to different categories: exercise, meals, appointments, and medication, and set the time and date with descriptions. The user will be able to delete the reminder as well. Next up is update profile, where user will be able to update their details, their caretaker details, their medical history, allergies, and cancer details, and all of these details will be reflected under their profile. Apart from this, we also have document upload, where the user will be able to upload documents related to their cancer aftercare, and all the related documents during their hospital visits can be uploaded here, which will be easier for future references. As for the login function, the user will be able to log in, register, so create account, and reset their password, as well as sign in using Google.
My final year project concluded successfully with the integration and deployment of the CareVive application, which is designed to assist cancer patients in managing their post-chemotherapy care. That's all from me, and thanks for watching. Finally, a huge shout out and also thank you to the whole committee of Pixel 2024, the industry experts and judges, USM lecturers and colleagues.